Hello. Hey, what's up? What's poppin'? How you doing? So in today's video, we'll be selling our clothes at Platos Closet. As you guys saw on my video, I recently decluttered and cleaned out my closet. Here is the pile that we took out of there. It is a lot. So I thought it would be a good idea to sell these at Platos Closet and, you know, make a little bit of money. We're just gonna go right into it. So first thing first, we're gonna sort these out because I know for a fact like some of these they wouldn't even take a look at them. Like for example, pajamas, I don't think they buy pajamas, so I'm just gonna pull it out of here and like not even worry about it. But before that though, if you guys are new here in my channel, hi, my name is Mikey and I post videos every single week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. You already know where it is. Alright, we're gonna put this at the bed because I feel like it's kind of hard to just sort it here on the floor, so let's do that. Yay, I feel so much better now. Now we can sort these out, the ones that is sellable and the ones that we for sure know that they're not gonna take it. Let's go. Wow, we do have quite a lot. These are the stuff that I think that they're not gonna get. It's just pajamas and t-shirts that are really worn out. But we do have this stack right here that I think, I don't know, everyone has different standards, but this is what I think that I can sell. Now that is done, we're gonna call Platos Closet and ask them what are they looking for today. I want everyone to hear and understand that tip because, you know, you don't want to waste your time like packing all the clothes that you have and then they're not even gonna like take it. So we're gonna find out what they're taking today.
Thank you for calling Platos Closet, where we buy and sell gently used teen clothing. Please hold while I try to connect you. Hi, thanks for calling Platos Closet. Speaking, how may I help you?
Hi, I'm actually planning to sell. What are the specific things that you guys are looking for?
Right now, we're looking a lot for like fall and winter items. So this is going to be your heavy coats, light outerwear, sweatshirts, sweaters, cardigans, long sleeves, stuff like that. We're also looking for boots, little like like ankle booties.
Yes.
Just I guess fall items.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
All right. No problem. Hope to see you soon.
Thank
Bye.
you. Bye-bye. Why did I get nervous? Like, what? But yes, as you guys heard, they are looking for more of a fall and winter, which is great because I do have a couple of things that are wintry. So now we're gonna sort this out and see what we can find that is like winter and fall look vibe. So our next step is gonna require some scissors because we're gonna go cut the little tags inside of your clothes because apparently they can see when it was made or like how old is this clothing. Just like that. And then I'm gonna cut the rest of these. I'll be back. And we are done. This is the stuff that we have gathered. And our next step is we have to fold these nicely. Presentation is key. You don't want them to look like they are musty or nasty, so we have to fold them nicely and make it neat. And I started folding these pants and leggings. So what we have right now is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pants and leggings right here, and then the rest I still have to do it. So yeah, let's fold. I'm just gonna show you guys one by one what I'm gonna put on the bin. I am selling these pink hoodie, super cute. I think someone can use this better than me. I'm also selling these green pants, yellow Nike t-shirt, a Wrangler hoodie, and like I said, I'm folding these neatly before I put it in the bag so that it will look a little bit presentable. Yee. We also have a pink leggings, Forever 21 sweatshirt that says babes only. Oh yeah. I have this long red romper that is great for events or wedding. I just don't really want it anymore, and there's cutouts right there. It's super cute when you wear it. I do have a Victoria's Secret sports bra, which is padded. It's really nice. I mean, it just doesn't fit me anymore. I also have just a plain sports bra. I love this color. A long sleeve t-shirts from Forever 21. A hoodie long cardigan from Forever 21. Another cardigan from Mossimo, and I love the details on the side. Next thing, we have a navy zip-up shirt, and it says Los Angeles, California. Super cute. Another light cardigan from Forever 21. I am putting this dress in here. It's really heavy, and you can put like a long sleeve shirt inside, and so I think hopefully they'll take it because the material of this is really heavy, and you can wear this during fall. A long romper right here, super cute. That athletic shirt from Forever 21. This thing is so soft, oh my gosh, and I love the details right there, so cute. And lastly is this long cardigan right here. It is short sleeves, but it is great for layering during fall. And yeah, I'm so excited. We are done. Let's go. We are here, yay! Alrighty guys, we are here and I'm so excited, but we actually need to hurry up. It's currently Sunday and I know they close at 5 and they close to buy an hour before they close. So at 4 they're gonna close it. It's currently 3:45 and so we have to hurry up. So let's get our handy dandy mask. Let's go. Alright, you can just sit your arms right down there. Just so you know, you are looking at a wait time of about 2 hours. Okay. And then you must remain in store since we're almost closed.
A few moments later.
Okay, everything that you see in this bin is what we would love to buy from you today. We can offer you $57.01. We may toss in your other items just due to some styles that wouldn't sell well first.
Guys, we made 57.01. Alright, I'm taking this out. Oh my gosh. We have 20, 40, 50, 55, 56, 57, and the penny, I think I dropped it somewhere. Sanitize our hands. I put all the clothes all the way in the back. I do not know if you guys heard it, but when I got there, she was like,
"You'll have to wait for 2 hours and you'll have to stay in the store."
But guys, it only took them like 30 minutes. I think they just want me to go and say like,
"Oh no, never mind, like that is a long wait."
But anyways, other than that, everything was Gucci. I got some money out of my old clothes. And here are the stuff that they did not take. I was surprised that they did not take this pink sweater. Like, this is so cute. And then this pink leggings, they did not take these. And these are in a really good condition. Okay, so earlier I was wondering if they're gonna take this dress. And then this Nike t-shirt, they didn't take it. This sports bra, they didn't take it. And then my red thing, they didn't take it. So there's a lot here that they didn't take. So I might go to another Platos closet. Uh-oh, I'm a bit disappointed because they didn't look at these. They didn't even try looking at it. Wow. These are folded nicely. Like, they didn't look at it. So that sucks. What else? Am I forgetting something? If I forgot about something, ask me. I will respond to every comment. And that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. Also subscribe if you haven't. And also today's shout out goes to you. Thank you so much for commenting. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. Bye. Bye. We got some money. Oh yeah. I feel like someone is watching me through that window. They probably think, why is she talking to herself?